Now let's check negative indexing for the string. We have done negative indexing for the number. We just finished negative indexing for the number. Now we are gonna do negative indexing for the string. Example number 13. Players equals to Muhammad Salah Fabregas Hazard Torres. Print of players of -1, which returns Torres. Look, this time I took the tuple of the strings. All the elements, all the items are string here. Players equals to Muhammad Salah Fabregas Hazard Torres. I took -1. So exactly at -1 we have Torres. Negative indexing comes from right side and starts from -1, not from 0. So at -1 we have this Torres, the very first element from the right side. So when you run it, you will get Torres in the final output. Example number 14. I'm going to take the same expression, players equals to Muhammad Salah Fabregas Hazard Torres, but this time I will take the print of players of -2 index, which will give Hazard in the output. Look at negative index 2, -1, -2, we have Hazard. Therefore, it returns Hazard in the output when you run it. Example number 15. Take the same expression again, players equals to Muhammad Salah Fabregas Hazard Torres. Take print of players of -4, which will return Muhammad Salah in the output. Look, -1, -2, -3, -4. So exactly at -4, we have Muhammad Salah. Therefore, at -4, the program will return Muhammad Salah in the output.